Our planet needs power. Power is the lifeblood of modern civilization, driving everything from our daily routines to the global economy. We need it for our homes, to keep our lights on, our appliances running, and our lives comfortable. We need it for our cities, to keep them vibrant and bustling, and for our future, to ensure progress and innovation. But the way we've been generating power is hurting our planet. Traditional methods like burning coal and oil are not sustainable. Burning fossil fuels releases harmful gases into the atmosphere, contributing to air pollution and health problems. These gases trap heat and cause climate change, leading to melting ice caps, rising sea levels, and extreme weather events. We need a new way to power our world, a sustainable way that doesn't compromise the health of our planet. Sustainable power means using resources responsibly, ensuring that we meet our current needs without jeopardizing future generations. It means generating energy without harming the environment, using renewable sources like wind, solar, and hydroelectric power. This is the power revolution we need, a shift towards clean, renewable energy sources that can sustain our way of life. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind are crucial parts of this revolution. They are abundant, sustainable, and increasingly cost-effective. But we also need to consider another powerful player: nuclear energy. Often misunderstood, nuclear power is a key component of a sustainable energy future. Nuclear energy has the potential to provide clean, reliable power for generations to come. It produces minimal greenhouse gases and can operate continuously, unlike some renewable sources. It's time to explore the role of nuclear energy in a sustainable future. By combining renewable sources with nuclear power, we can create a balanced and resilient energy system. Nuclear energy comes from the atom. Atoms are the tiny building blocks of everything around us. Inside the atom's core, the nucleus, is an incredible amount of energy. Nuclear power plants harness this energy through a process called nuclear fission. In fission, atoms are split apart, releasing energy as heat. This heat turns water into steam. The steam drives turbines, which generate electricity. This process is remarkably efficient. A small amount of nuclear fuel can produce a large amount of energy. This makes nuclear energy a powerful tool in the fight against climate change. Nuclear power plants are incredibly efficient. They produce more energy per unit of fuel than any other energy source. A single nuclear fuel pellet can generate as much energy as a ton of coal. This efficiency means fewer emissions and less waste. Nuclear power plants also have a small land footprint. They require far less land than solar or wind farms to produce the same amount of energy. This is crucial as we strive to preserve our planet's natural ecosystems. Nuclear energy offers a high-power solution with a minimal environmental impact. Renewable energy sources like solar power and wind energy are essential for a sustainable future. They harness the power of nature, providing clean energy without emitting greenhouse gases. Solar panels capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, while wind turbines use the kinetic energy of the wind to generate power. However, they have limitations. Solar and wind power are intermittent, meaning they don't produce energy all the time. They depend on the sun shining brightly during the day and the wind blowing consistently. This variability can lead to challenges in maintaining a steady energy supply. Nuclear power plants, on the other hand, provide a constant, reliable source of energy. They generate electricity through nuclear fission, which is not dependent on weather conditions. This makes nuclear energy a valuable complement to renewable sources. It can operate continuously, day and night, regardless of external environmental factors. It can provide baseload power, ensuring a stable energy supply even when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. By combining nuclear energy with renewable sources, we can create a more resilient and reliable energy grid. This hybrid approach leverages the strengths of both technologies, paving the way for a cleaner and more sustainable future. Section 5. Safety first, addressing the concerns. Safety is a top priority in nuclear energy. Nuclear power plants are designed with multiple safety systems. These systems prevent accidents and contain any potential releases of radiation. The nuclear industry has learned from past events. New reactor designs incorporate passive safety features. These features rely on natural forces like gravity and convection to keep the reactor cool, even in the event of a power outage. Advancements in technology continue to improve the safety and efficiency of nuclear power generation. Section 6. Nuclear Success Stories, Global Leaders. Several countries have successfully integrated nuclear energy into their energy mix. France, for example, generates over 70% of its electricity from nuclear power. This has significantly reduced their carbon emissions. South Korea is another example of a country that has embraced nuclear energy. Their nuclear program has provided them with a reliable and affordable source of electricity. These countries demonstrate that nuclear energy can play a vital role in a sustainable energy future. Section 7. The environmental equation, weighing the impacts. In this section, we delve into the complex balance of benefits and drawbacks associated with nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is a low-carbon source of electricity, which means it plays a significant role in reducing our carbon footprint. Unlike fossil fuels, it does not produce greenhouse gases during operation, making it a cleaner alternative for power generation. This makes it a crucial tool in the fight against climate change alongside other renewable energy sources like wind and solar power. However, nuclear power does have environmental impacts that must be managed responsibly. The extraction and processing of uranium, the primary fuel for nuclear reactors, can lead to significant ecological disturbances. The mining and processing of uranium, the fuel for nuclear reactors, have environmental consequences, including habitat destruction and potential contamination of water sources. The disposal of nuclear waste requires careful management to protect human health and the environment. This waste remains hazardous for thousands of years, necessitating secure and long-term storage solutions. Advancements in nuclear technology are exploring new reactor designs and fuel cycles that minimize waste and enhance safety. Innovations, such as small modular reactors and thorium-based fuels, promise to address some of the current challenges. International collaboration and stringent regulatory frameworks are essential to ensure that nuclear energy remains a safe and viable option for the future. By weighing the impacts carefully, we can harness the benefits of nuclear power while mitigating its risks. Section 8. A powerful future, nuclear energy's promise. As we strive to build a sustainable future, nuclear energy has the potential to play a significant role. Its efficiency, reliability, and low carbon footprint make it a valuable asset in the global energy mix. Technological advancements continue to improve the safety and sustainability of nuclear power. By embracing innovation and responsible practices, nuclear energy can contribute to a cleaner, more sustainable future for generations to come. It's time to recognize the power of the atom in powering our world.